Hello students of class 9, welcome to our geography period, and today let us discuss the question answers of the third chapter of geography, exogenetic processes part 1. The first question is answer in brief. What is mechanical weathering? So answer children listen to the answers very carefully because I'm going to dictate them. Fine. So here's the answer to this particular question. Weathering that is caused by temperature, frost, release of pressure, crystal growth and water is called as mechanical weathering. Full stop. It takes place in dry, arid regions. Full stop. That's the answer. The second question. What are the main types of chemical weathering? The answer is the main types of chemical weathering are oxidation, salt weathering and deformation of rocks. Let me spell the word deformation to you. DEFORMATION. Deformation. Fine. Now the next question. How does biological weathering occur? The answer is biological weathering occurs because of living beings. Full stop. Crawling creatures and insects make holes in the earth, causing weathering of stones and rocks. Full stop. Trees are also living beings. Full stop. They weather the rocks, monuments in their attempt, let me spell attempt, ATTEMPT, attempt to grow through them. Fine. Now the next question. Distinguish between weathering and mass wasting. For this, you will have to draw a line in between in the notebook and make two columns. Mention the first column as weathering and the second column as mass wasting. So the first point under weathering column or in the weathering column is first point. It is an external process. It is an external process. In mass wasting column, the first point is the same. It is an external process. So, both the columns will have the first point in common. Okay, they will have common points, that is it is an external process. You will write this in weathering column and also in mass wasting column. Now the second point is on weathering, below weathering column. On weathering, rocks break down into pieces. On weathering, rocks break down into pieces. Full stop. In mass wasting column, the second point you will write is weathered material forms a heap, HEAP, heap of bulky mass. The next point below weathering column is, in the weathering column is It causes oxidation, exfoliation, shattering of rocks, deformation of statues. Let me spell statues, statues, etc. etc. Full stop. In mass wasting column, the third point will be it causes slumping, solifluction and landslide. So we have three points written in both the columns, and that is the answer. The next question is, write whether the statements are true or false, correct the incorrect ones. So that means if the sentences are correct, we do not have to write the explanation, but if the sentence is incorrect, then we will have to write down the correct answer. So the first one is, climate affects earthquakes. The answer to this question is, it is false. Climate affects the surface of the earth. This is the answer. Okay, you will write down false and you will write down the explanation as, climate affects the surface of the earth and not the interior of the earth. The second sentence is, mechanical weathering is less effective in humid climates. The answer is true. The sentence is true. Of course, mechanical weathering is more effective in dry, arid climates. The third one is, mechanical weathering happens on a large scale in dry climates. That we recently said. It is true. The breaking down of rocks into smaller particles is called as weathering, and even this is true. Lateritic rocks are formed through exfoliation. This is false. Why? Because exfoliation happens or occurs because of mechanical weathering, where temperature plays an important role. Fine. So lateritic rocks means the rusted rocks. Okay, rocks which are rusted, which have come in contact with water, rocks which have more content of iron in them, and iron when comes in contact with water gets rusted, right? So lateritic rocks means the rusted rocks are formed because of chemical weathering. They are formed because of so you will write down, lateritic rocks are formed because of oxidation. Fine. Now the next one, oxidation is the chemical weathering. The next question is, identify the type of weathering from the given description. Some animals live inside the grounds by making burrows. This is biological weathering. You will have to write down the full form of these letters. The rock rust. This is an example of chemical weathering. Fine. Water which has accumulated in the crevices, that is in the cracks of the rocks, freezes. Consequently, the rock breaks. So this is an example of mechanical weathering. We studied this in the reasons of frost. Frost is one of the reasons of mechanical weathering. The pipes supplying water in colder regions break. This is again mechanical weathering. Fine. We studied the same thing in frost. This is mechanical weathering. Sand formation occurs in deserts. So this is also mechanical weathering. Fine. Using internet, look for incidences of a few landslides that have occurred in India and write about them briefly. So children, please refer the internet and find the information about the landslide in Uttarakhand in the year 2014. Okay. Now the next question is complete the flow chart. So it is talking about the weathering process. So we will have to complete. So this is exfoliation. Exfoliation is caused because of mechanical weathering. So let us write down the word mechanical weathering. Okay, exfoliation is one of the causes or the results. So what can we write in the first box? Let us write down shattering of rocks or block disintegration. Fine. Now chemical weathering. Oxidation is one of the oxidation is one of the resultant or the results. So what can we write for this thing? We can write salt weathering as one of the factors, salt weathering. And in the next we can write down what else happens because of chemical weathering. Statue deformation. Fine. And oxidation is the third one. Now the next one, burrowing by animals. So what kind of a weathering is this? This is biological weathering. Burrowing by animals and weathering by trees. Fine. So these were the answers of lesson number 3. Please complete your notebooks. I give you a time of 2 days to complete your notebooks. Please show me the images of your complete chapter on WhatsApp group. See you in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.